Carl has a question. How did the animals get onto Noah's Ark? Greetings and thanks from the UK. Well, hello to the UK. Cheers to you. How did the animals get onto the Ark? Well, I mean, they walked. And so it doesn't really give us much in the scripture. If you actually look at for specific details here, we don't really have a lot. So like, didn't Noah, okay, if you take sort of the strictly, I want to be careful with my words here. If you take a more wooden, I'm not trying to say this in a derogatory fashion either, but if you take that more wooden kind of, interpretation approach to that passage, what you've got here is Noah has like 100 years to build the ark. He's going to get 2 of every animal and bring them in. And we're not really told how he does that. 2 of every animal, 7 of the clean ones, right? And so we're not really told how this takes place. So the answer is we don't know. So then we're left to theorize. When scripture doesn't outline this stuff, we theorize. Oh, well, he had a lot of time. He could have commissioned people. And some people think, well, the earth was very different back then. And so 2 of every animal was easier to do. The shape, God maybe brought animals and they migrated somehow from different locations. And God could have started that process at any point in time. Okay, all these are like viable answers to some regards, and they have other issues in other places. But then that is the view that's based upon it being, of course, a global flood. Okay, and I use the term global here. So another perspective, and I don't know for sure what my view is on this. Okay, forgive me, I just don't know. I really don't. I'm a little bit open on some of these issues. And another view is, say, Hugh Ross's view. So Hugh Ross, their view is that it was worldwide but not global. And what they mean is, well, the Bible uses the term world to talk about where mankind lives and not the planet. And I'm not saying that view is correct. I'm just explaining to you a perspective people have on this for at least clarity. So they'll say, well, that means that the animals, you didn't need penguins on the ark because they're unrelated to the area in which mankind is living at the time in the Mesopotamian area, the region that's there. And so you don't need to bring animals from everywhere in that regard. All around the globe, you just need to bring them from all around the world, which means the world of mankind. So yeah, I don't know what the right answer is there because the scripture is not super clear to me on how that took place. And so I'm open for entertaining a few different options where there's lack of clarity, in my mind at least.